So I just picked up the WUBEN X4, and after spending a little time with it, I'm honestly impressed. It's small enough to disappear into your hand, but it still feels solid, like an actual tool and not a toy. This is the kind of build that makes you want to keep it within reach. Right out of the box, they give you a USB-C charging cable and the lanyard, and the whole setup feels simple and practical. I like gear that doesn't make me work to get it ready. The flashlight came charged up and ready to go. One of the things I like about this light is how versatile it is. I can toss it in my pocket, sit it on the edge of my fridge, or leave it on a nightstand. It feels like that everywhere light you can keep in little spots around the house or in your prep bag. The front beam is bright and punchy, but the side light is what really caught me off guard. Being able to use it as more of a floodlight or area light instantly made it feel more useful. It switches brightness levels easily, and the output feels well balanced for close-up tasks. And then you've got the RGB light on top of that. And no, it's not a gimmick. It's handy for signaling, visibility, or just working without blowing out your night vision. Between the main beam, the side light, and the RGB, it gives you more options than most lights this size. The magnetic base is strong enough to stick on metal surfaces, which makes this a great hands-free work light. Whether you're working on something under the hood or lighting up a dark corner, you can put the beam right where you need it. Overall, the X4 just feels like the kind of flashlight you end up owning multiples of. One for the prep bag, one in a drawer, and one in the truck. You never regret having a solid rechargeable light, especially one that's built like this. When you pick it up, the first thing you notice is that it's small, but not tiny. It sits naturally in your hand and tucks away easily when you're done using it. So if you like gear that's easy to carry and quick to reach for, definitely give this product some consideration.